Effective inventory management is the backbone of a smooth-running warehouse operation. Whether you're struggling with excess stock, stockouts, or chaotic storage, a proper analysis can set things right. In today's video, we're diving into the crucial process of analyzing warehouse needs to optimize inventory management. First, let's discuss why analyzing your warehouse needs is so important. By understanding what your warehouse lacks or where it can improve, you can optimize stock levels, reduce costs, and enhance overall efficiency. Key areas to analyze include space utilization, storage methods, demand forecasting, and the efficiency of your current inventory tracking systems. Step-by-step analysis for optimization. Evaluate inventory turnover. Calculate your inventory turnover rate to identify slow-moving or excess stock. This helps you understand which products need better stocking strategies or if you should phase out low-demand items. Assess storage space. Is your warehouse space being used efficiently? Conduct a storage audit to identify underutilized areas or overcrowded sections, and consider redesigning the layout for better flow. Check stock accuracy. Audit your stock records to match physical inventory with what's listed in your systems. Inaccuracies often point to inefficiencies or errors in your tracking process. Identify technology gaps. Examine your current systems for inventory tracking and management. Are you still relying on manual data entry? Do you lack real-time updates on stock levels? This is where technology can make a big difference. Now, if you're looking for a way to streamline and optimize inventory management, it's time to introduce a game changer, Cleverence. Cleverence is a software solution specifically designed for data collection terminals and comes equipped with a built-in barcode scanner. This software allows you to seamlessly manage inventory by automating data entry, reducing human errors, and providing real-time updates. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes it easy to adapt to various warehouse needs, making optimization a breeze. With Cleverence, you can quickly scan items for stock updates, monitor inventory levels in real time, and streamline operations like receiving, shipping, and inventory checks. Its compatibility with various systems and flexibility makes it ideal for both small and large-scale warehouses, ensuring your inventory is always well managed. By analyzing your warehouse needs and implementing the right tools like Cleverence, you can significantly enhance your inventory management strategy. If you want to learn more about how Cleverence can revolutionize your warehouse operations, check out the link in the description below. Now, here's a question for you. What's the biggest inventory management challenge you're currently facing in your warehouse? Let us know in the comments.